everybody. Sometimes I think the living on a boat is easy, but you have a lot of work to do, like sanding, polishing the boat, repair the seacocks. See you in the few seconds on the workplace. And by the way, I have an electric scooter, so it's faster to move around the marina. You click only the button like this. You hear the click, and here you have a throttle. Must only kick twice. Push the throttle, and we are going to the boat place where I'm working. For the sanding the hull, I'm using the Metabo SXE 450 Turbo Duo, and I'm using the paper is from 80. I'm starting with 80, and then I'm using 120. Okay, so we have sander, mask, gloves and glasses. Safety first, and of course vacuum cleaner to take all the dust out from the sander through these holes. Take all the floors out, and this looks like this. And now we must fight with this guy. Looks rusty, everywhere is water, and also here when you see the water is coming from directly from here. I make some time lapse, maybe will be the best option, because I think it takes, I don't know, 1 hour, maybe 2, or half day if something goes wrong, like on the boat sometimes. Is out, and now we have like spare parts. And we have a little breeze, like 15 knots. But this is only delivery the boat, so we don't use the sails, only the engine. Let me go somewhere over there, and then left, and then right, and then left to the new marina. Is preparing the boat for the docking in the harbor. Preparing the fenders. I have already the lines. And the second one here. And this is our new place. And there is our new harbor.